Hello YouTube, my name is Mon, and today we are going to shine our hardwood floor. So this is what my floor looks like now. We already swept it, we mopped it already, and so now we're going to use the product. As you can see, it's all dull. It's already been mopped and cleaned. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. After a lot of research, we found out that the best thing for us to do would be Rejuvenate. Rejuvenate Hardwood Restorer. So for that, you need to go ahead and clean up your floor. Sweep it properly, mop the floor, and then we need to use the product. And now I'm going to show you how to do it step by step, okay? So Rejuvenate, this is what we're using, Hardwood Floor Restorer. And you can find it at any store.
Ouch.
It's like $26 or $27. Okay, so let's go ahead and do what we're doing. Okay guys, so this is the area of our test. So this is where we're going to clean, okay, or restore, however you want to say it. So we're going to put it, and so if you follow the instructions, it says follow the grain, okay? Follow the grain and just keep going like this. Don't go against the grain. Don't go like this. You have to go like this. Okay, so this is our area. This is what we're cleaning. And I already showed you what it looked like before we started over here. So this is, we're going to do this area too over here now. So we're going to go like this. Come back, go, come back, go, come back, go, come back, go, come back. So any cotton map will do. You don't have to buy like a very expensive Rejuvenate, cotton map. This is what I'm using. It's like a quickie, quickie map. It's cotton, it's reusable. So I want everybody to know this is a very sticky product, okay? Look at, I did it over here and I just stepped on it and you can see my footprint. So I just want to let everybody know, do not step on it while you're doing it, okay? Let the area dry. Let the area dry for 30 minutes at least before you step on it. That way you don't have footprints, because you don't want to ruin your very shiny, nice looking hardwood floor. This is amazing. It's still wet, but it dries really quick. So on the side note, this is not related to your hardwood floor, but this is still wood. We have a coffee table here that's mahogany wood, and we are also cleaning it with the Rejuvenate. And
So how does the coffee table That's okay.
See, as you can see, it is very shiny now that we're cleaning it with Rejuvenate. And look at this part is already clean. Look at it. Shiny, shiny, shiny. You can clean any hardwood.
And look at what gun I made.
Look. Very nice product. We're not sponsored or anything with this product, but we just want to show you how
You can clean
you can clean, yeah, all your hardwood floor and everything with this product. It's beautiful.
I think this is a real.
So this time we're using Rejuvenate Hardwood Restorer, but then there is also another one that's all-purpose. It can clean everything. I think that's the new one. They're all the same. You can use it, no problem. They're both the same, but we just like using this product. I love this product. Shines all your wood product in the house. Anything that you have wood, it will shine. Look at this area. It's already dry, and you can see the difference. Can you see the difference? This area was really dull before. I don't know if you remember. And we finished the area, and it's really shiny now. It's really shiny. And it's even gonna be shinier once the product is dry. All right, guys, so this is what the finished product looks like. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at it. Look what the floor looks like. So shiny. So shiny. It's dry. 1 hour. We had to wait 1 hour for it to dry. Do not step on it till it's dry. If you step on it before it's dry, you're going to leave footprints, handprints, doggy prints, whatever steps on it, you will leave marks. So my recommendation is for anyone not to step on it. It's beautiful work. Oh my God, look at it. I'm gonna go up some more so that way you can see better. Look at the shine. Looks beautiful. Yeah, so if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. We work really hard to make these videos for you. Okay, we have tons of other videos in our channel. Please go take a look and let us know what you like or what you don't like. Leave us a comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks. See you later.